Hi, this is Matthew with AquaCal Autopilot. Welcome to the AquaCal Technical Video Series. Any AquaCal heat pump can easily be interfaced with an external pool and spa controller. There are two different types of controllers commonly used, and the method for interfacing each type is a little bit different. For this video, we'll discuss the more common two-wire interface. The two-wire interface option is used with any pool and spa controller that has its own separate water temperature sensor, and where the pool and spa temperature settings are adjusted at the external control panel or by using the customer's remote control device. The following should only be attempted by persons that are qualified to work on live electrical circuits and with the knowledge to properly test electrical circuits for power. For this installation, you need to use a minimum 16 gauge 2-conductor wire. Start by turning off power at the electrical disconnect or the circuit breaker. Remove the front panel and the metal electrical cover. Always double check to be sure that power is completely off. Check across L1 and L2 and always check each leg to ground. Once you're sure the power is off and it's safe to continue, route the 16 gauge wire through the heater and into the electrical panel. Be sure to follow any local code requirements for placing your wire in conduit, especially if the wire is in an exposed location or runs underground. Strip the wire back about 3/8 of an inch and connect to the Y and Z terminals on the heat pump microprocessor. The terminal screws are very small, so you'll need a number 2 slotted screwdriver with the tip about 1/8 of an inch across. On some models, there isn't much room to connect the wires. Holding the wires with a pair of needle nose pliers while tightening the screws can save a lot of time and aggravation. Secure the wire in place with tie wraps. Refer to the installation manual provided with your controller for information on wiring and programming the controller. Once all wiring is complete, you can then program the heat pump. For safety, reinstall the electrical panel cover before re-energizing the unit. To program the heat pump, unlock the keypad by sliding your finger across the surface if your unit is equipped with a keypad lock. Press and hold both the up and the down arrows for about 15 seconds. Once CF1 appears, press the Pool Spa button 4 times until LOC appears. Then push and hold the up arrow and scroll up to 50. When you reach 50, press the Pool Spa button 2 times until you see JAO. Next, press the up arrow. A 0 should be displayed, which tells us the interface feature is not activated. Push the up arrow once more to change the 0 to a 2. 2 for a two-wire interface. And at this point, we're done with the programming. After a few seconds, the unit will automatically exit the menu. Now that the unit's been programmed, switching between pool or spa or raising or lowering the temperature will no longer have any effect on unit operation. The heat pump will only respond to a signal from your external controller. To test the programming and the wire connections, make sure that your heat pump is getting flow and that the controller is calling for heat. Your heat pump fan should start immediately when a signal is received from the controller, and the unit will stop immediately when the temperature is satisfied or there is an interruption in flow. Once you're sure everything is working properly, be sure to reinstall all panels and you're good to go.